Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will talk about how you can make money in stock market using a different strategy, which is using the lock-in period of the shares in IPO. So when these companies go for an IPO, before the IPO, some certain shares of the companies would have been sold to the high net worth investors for a certain amount. So these um, investors will not be able to sell their stocks until a certain period of time. That period is known as lock-in period. So for Zomato, for example, when it launched its IPO, there were certain shares that were available for a discount to these investors. And recently, it got listed in July 23, 2021. Then after that, there is a lock-in period on pre-offer equity shares, which came to an end on 23rd July. So this 23rd July is a very crucial date. So these dates are not easily available. You will have to go through that IPO and investor relations of that company to find out these dates. Usually it is around 1 year from listing date, considering holidays and everything. So if you see all the IPOs, these are the past IPOs, you can find all the past IPOs here. Based on this, we can identify the date when the lock-in period of investors will end. And based on that, we can identify on this day when the lock-in period ends, that day these investors are going to offload their shares in the market. So that will be a good date to buy these shares in discount. Or you will know that on this day, the stock price of this share is going to go down. This can be used for making purchases and investments. And some quick money can be made using this strategy. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.